Well, good afternoon, everybody. We're trying this out to see how this works. Does video make my hair look darker? Anyway, let's go forward from here. I have a challenge for you. I've been thinking a lot about our advertising class and where we are today. And you have your assignment for this week, and that's all well and good. But there's something really bothering me, so I want your help. We're doing this remotely. We're working from outside of our norm. We are now part of what, as it says in chapter 14 in our text, we are customers in the digital age. So let's accept this and let's point out some things that, since we can't be agency work anymore, let's do a shared experience with creating something as agency work would. So what I'm going to ask each of you to do is this. I would like for you in the next couple days, and let's set a deadline for, because I want to get this done quickly, let's set a deadline for Thursday morning, say Thursday at noon. By Thursday at noon, I would like for you to send me one or two things that you think are important, that are the important difference between learning in class, learning at the college, and learning online. I think that there are important differences to being together, to learning together, rather than online and through all the technology, which is marvelous, that we have today. But there's an advantage to being face-to-face. There's something that you might miss from your college experience being in the classroom. I'm proposing that if you send me your ideas, and if anybody wants to volunteer to help and edit with me, you're more than welcome to. But what I would like to do is an open letter to Monmouth College, using our class as an example. These are the things that separate online education from in-person. This is what I miss. This is what I think is better off when we're all together. However you want to word this, however you feel about it, what I am asking you to do is email me your ideas. You can email it to me in a video clip. You can email it to me in a Zoom link. But what I would like are those bullet point ideas. And then we will compose an open letter to Monmouth College. I will give it to the communications department, and I will somehow get it published. We're going to publish it as an ad, but it won't be a typical ad. We're not trying to sell a product. What it's going to be is really a public service announcement to our college community that the class of Business 367, these are the things we miss about being on campus and about being together and learning in a shared environment. I'll compose a letter alone if I have to, but I would, if anybody again wants to volunteer to help, you're more than welcome to. But I need your ideas. This won't be my idea. This will be your ideas coming to me. I will compose it. I will get it to the communications department, and we will publish it as a PSA ad. So that's what I'm asking you to do. You've got essentially 48 hours. Send me your ideas. Think about it. What do you miss? I can't ask Joe how he's doing in track. I can't ask any of you what you're doing. I can't ask Aquaman how he's doing in the pool. I can't check on each of you like I like to every week. What I can do is tell you I'm thinking about you, and I want you to learn about advertising. And right now is a time for our college and us as faculty and students to react and say, this is who we are. This is why there's a value to being together. This is what we miss. Let's remind each other, and let's remind our community how strong we are when we're all together. So there you go. There's my first Zoom lesson of my life. And I'm looking at this video thinking, man, I'm one good looking guy. Anyway, I hope that made you laugh. Anyway, I hope you get this. I hope you appreciate it. Please email me. Let me know your ideas. You can send it to me, as I said, as a few bullet points. As long as short as you want, I'll edit it. I'll do the best I can to put it together. If you want to help and work on this project, just let me know. We're home. We have time. but let's work together and let's put something out there we can be proud of. So there's an additional assignment for you. I expect to hear from each of you. You'll be receiving this as a link in your email here shortly. And take care of yourselves, be safe, and I will talk to you very soon. Take care.